The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
No, yes. Welcome to the Chopping Edge with me, host, Muva Baruba. Yes, Rasta. I know so much things. I'm in studio with me. A man that goes by the name. Mention I really independent or you have fix of the same. You look like Fanakan man. What really I want?
No, Muta, I'm Muta TV. I have a question for you.
I don't talk about that. Every time you come here, you have a question for you, Rasta.
Muta.
I said them. I know that. Wait,
But I have to ask because the listeners want to know.
Okay.
For sure. No, listeners, I'm in studio and I realize it is true. Muta does not wear shoes.
Well, I don't have a problem with that. That's a regular
So the question is, you're the man who tour a lot. When you're in a place like Iceland and you have a headgear, you have jacket for the temperature. Tell the viewers, the listeners, don't you wear shoes?
I tell you.
You wear shoes.
I said the rest.
No, tell us, man. We love to. You break your shoes,
man.
man.
I work with so. My question, man, no, Lord.
Welcome to another episode of the IT and Fancy Cat Show, Season 10.
Yes,
Grand
Rasta.
finale. You think I'll go 11?
I don't know.
Stay tuned for skits, especially this, Muta Rants.
I tell you. Yes, Rasta. I don't know, Rasta. I don't know. Anyway, welcome to the show here, the Chopping Edge with Iron. You don't know, Rasta. I tell you. I want to make a thing clear here, Rasta, because I want to talk about that thing that I see this man, Rasta. I see them eyes a flag in our school where the green is not right, Rasta. I don't say that is the national flag. We don't need to check the green, Rasta. No, Rasta, if that's where I come to, we'll lose for country, Rasta. If the eyes at Jamaica out, somebody can send over the Rasta. I tell you, Rasta, Kevin. If them eyes that at Jamaica out, somebody can send over. I tell her about. Trust me, Rasta. I seen on the news where the government is giving out money to get back the goods. Can you imagine, Kevin? And that's the country. God, Rasta. The government is giving out money to get back the guns off the road. Imagine. I don't know, Rasta. I don't know. The phone line light up when I talk about the money. We can see who they are. So, hello, Carla.
Yeah, Muta, my general.
Yes, Rasta.
You know, me just a call in to find out if the money ready.
What kind of money that now?
Yeah, Ella, me have a whole heap of gun and me just want to cash in, but you know, me can't go in a details, so I just want if the money ready.
Well, yeah, what kind of gun you have?
Muta, no do me that, my general, man.
No, Rasta, you have to let me know it because if you have certain gun and certain money, you know. Is that hold on, make I find this thing and read it and tell you. The paper say, it says if the man have a rifle or a submachine gun, the man get 150,000 for one. If you have a small gun, you're talking about 100,000 Rasta. And if the man have a 38 and a little gun is a 75, I told you so the Rasta, it sound like you have a whole heap of gun.
Muta, you hear me? I want to make a charge him, I beg a call and him stand up right as I listen, I wait for him phone.
Hold on, Rasta, Kevin. You hear the man say, Rasta? The man say him have guns, but the don't have a phone. Rasta, sell the gun then and buy a phone, Rasta. No, I don't know.
Elder,
Yes.
I not even have a phone. That's why I tell him need to turn in the gun them and see how the butter stay.
Yeah, man. So, say, all right. Send out the name and the number, them numbers, so we can come collect the gun. And the address.
Yeah, hear me, Muta. Name and what? Come like a set Rasta try set me up.
What? No, Rasta, no. Hey, Kevin, the man that sent me a set up, you know, Kevin. Imagine, look, Kevin. And he called me the Rasta. And the man called me the Rasta. I said, me, I set him up there. I don't know, Rasta.
Muta.
Carla, listen. If you don't trust Rasta, get a station and drop off the gun them. Yeah.
That sound like a bag of shakiness, my elder. So what am I after that? I just pay me one, I don't really want to go to jail.
Well, I don't pay out to them. I'm glad to tell you what the government I know. You say Mr. Rasta, so it's all about you and them. Because you don't trust Rasta. What you about it?
Hey, it sound, this sound like a bag of shakiness. So you hear me, I come off for the phone, I come in there for a start trap, my call, my lad.
Man said, even though that tracking call and I call me, you know. Tell the Rasta the Muta. Dread the Rasta. Hey, you see all them look around the Rasta. If them man carry them, go to the station, they the Rasta. And them rifle, I forget 150, you know. And you give him 100. No matter what, keep going, don't get it. Kevin, no matter what, keep going, that tell the Rasta. And we can think, hey, listen, that nigga can't tell the Rasta, that tell you, no, Rasta. We can go for a quick break. I'll go for a break and Kevin, that tell the Rasta.
Hello. Welcome to the husband store. How may I help you?
I need one of those. I need someone that's decent, you know, look good, feel good.
Okay. Well,
I like this one. He's tall. And I like his chest. Oh my God. I like him. So, how much is he? Because I'm on a budget.
well, this one is for $35,000.
35,000.
Yes.
Well, let's see what you have, else.
Okay. We have these two. 5,000 for each, but there's a discount. I can give you this one for 3,500 or both for $4,000.
What am I doing too, man?
I mean, if you have a friend.
Oh, I get you. But
Yes.
I'm sorry, but I don't do Humpty Dumpty, and I surely definitely don't want a toothpick. So, what else do you have? Oh my God! Look at that fine specimen of a man. I want him. No, I need him. Oh, look at these cheekbones. Don't we look good together?
Of course you do. Well, this one is $25,000, and we'll throw in the glasses and the blazer
Tell you
for
what,
free.
I'll take everything. I'll take all of it.
Great.
So tell me something. How old is he?
This one is 40 years old.
40. Well, I'm sorry, darling. I don't do vintage, and he seems quite antiquated. I guess I'm stuck with that one over there. Oh, God.
Yes, this one. What I can do for you, clearly since you're so in love with him, I'll give you a discount. I can give you this one for $25,000, but no refund, no return.
No return.
Yes.
You know what? I like him. I'll take him.
Okay.
Here you go. Look like it's just gonna be me and you. Oh my God. Firm. You're so good.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. You're
Same
gonna
to
make me one happy woman.
Thank you, and so did you. Do you need a plastic bag?
A plastic bag. No, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. My savior, thank God we get rid of him. Every minute somebody return him. He ain't cheat, he ain't lazy, he ain't can't cook. My goodness.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.